gathering is not only because of our 25th annual GA, but likewise, we are commemorating our 25th milestone of our existence. Our silver foundation anniversary. And this is remarkable, isn't it? Indeed, a resounding yes. This conveys our humble beginnings and reflects how our cooperative had reached so far.
Kayo po ay 760 million pesos in asset na cooperative. Yan po ang nagagawa ng pagkakaisa. Yan po ang nagagawa ng pag-iisip ng ating pamunuan, ating mga patnubutan o directors ay isa at kaisa ng mga kasama.
Yaw kita digdi, di kita mabubuhay kung ikasanan. Kaipuhan ta ang lambang saro. Kaipuhan tang magmakulong sa iba. Urog lang gayo sa mga kasaragitan.
Alone I am weak, but with others I am strong. I-improve po natin. Ano? Habo kang madangog itong term na weak. Tama po? Mayong maako sa indo na kamo weak. So dapat ibuhon tang alone I am strong, but with others I am strong.
Cooperatives can build a better life. Just imagine, sabi nga kanina, sabi ko kay Sir Roy, nag-report na siya, no? Imagine with this number of members that has 760 million total assets. Kaya po tayo ay milyonaryo na po lahat.
Sa lahat ng mga members ng Kamsur Multipurpose Cooperative, sa officer, board of directors, and members for continue supporting and patronizing all the cooperative services and businesses. Sa mga aming partners, ang different organization, the different cooperatives, even the government agency na patuloy po talaga nagtitiwala sa Kamsur Multipurpose Cooperative. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And higit sa lahat, sa ating Panginoon, sa ating Lord God. Thank you very much po sa lahat ng mga blessings na binibigay mo po sa Kamsur Multipurpose Cooperative as an instrument to serve our brothers and sisters and our community in building a better world. Thank you very much.